Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Kitten, and today we are playing Animal Crossing. A few things have happened since the last episode, and I actually did eventually time travel a day forward and then time travel back to the now date. So it's back on schedule. So we do got the Resident Evil, Jesus, Resident Services upgrade. So we have this thing here now, and we also have Isabel, who's inside. What else was there? There was a few things. Ooh, let's get this. Oh, Tom told me about how he wanted KK to come, and that he has something for us to do, and apparently he's a big KK fanatic. So when I go and talk to him, this is probably the part where we get the campsite. So that'd be cool. Blathers told me about, or no, not Blathers. Blathers did, however, say that he wanted a gallery. So now we have that to work on. Tom is the one that said that there was some sketchy dude around here trying to sell art. So I'm guessing that means Red's around, but I haven't run into him yet. Let's see what Hammy wants. Some kind of scary rustling sound coming from behind you, huh? That was just some paper stuck to you? Guess my reactions are in overdrive. Just want to teach you how to show everyone distress. Quit staring, I'm serious. Okay, well, we learned another reaction. That's cool. I also used a lot of my, my, miles thing. So now we have bigger inventory. We got the last thing going. I also got something else, but I honestly don't remember what it was. But we're gonna go talk to Tom real quick. I'm trying to save mostly for Nook miles. Come here. What you want? Oh yeah, I also customized my house, because apparently I can customize the door and the mailbox. So that should be done today. What should I do? I take it this means they're ready to hear the details of my plan to draw KK here to hold a concert. I call it Project K. This plan of mine is divided into 3 main stages. First, we need more visitors to come to our island. Next, we need more folks to something. And finally, we work hard to increase the overall image of this island. We'll increase the number of tourists and residents, and we'll create a psycho so loved. That sounds funny to say. Word of how great this island is will reach KK, and he'll accept our offer to host a concert here. So, for the first step, we'll increase the number of tourists by adding CampSite to our island. CampSite will make it easier for visitors to experience life here, and it will make for great PR material too. With that in mind, could you get out your phone? Yeah. And done. I've sent you the recipe for a campsite construction kit. Oh, I have to craft it? I want you to craft that and pick a great spot on the island for our new campsite. I'm counting on you. Rats. I thought you just gave me something to plot down. I forgot. Alright, well. What do we need? We need wood, softwood, hardwood, and iron nuggets. I think I have a lot of that. Let's go check. Not 100% sure, but I hope I have some of it. That 5,000 thing that we experimented with did not work. Well, let's see what she has. What's on sale, lady? Anything cute? What the hell is that? A ski mask? Stretch leggings? Basketball shoes? I mean, should buy something each time she's out here. It might make it go faster. I don't know. Good gracious. Like, all this stuff is so stupid. I don't like any of it, but I guess we could gift this to somebody, so I'll buy that. I really want this store, so I'll buy ugly stuff in the name of science. Okay, there you go. Come back with better stuff next time. Let's see. Well, I mean, here's a rock, so let's try to get some iron nuggets. I keep trying to call it ore. I just played My Time in Portia, and I'm getting it mixed up again. This is all freaking rock. Aha. Okay. Thank you. That's what I wanted. And then we got this. I thought we had, oh, here's some of this. I thought we had a bunch of stuff down here. It might be inside. I'll have to go check. Oh, mail. Whoops. Jeez. We just got the plushie I ordered and the KK Meraki I ordered. Someone helped me catalog the plushie, and then I figured out what I wanted to do with the fencing, and then she also helped me get a tombstone thing, because I am going to make like a little graveyard thing dedicated to my dog. He's my emotional support dog, and he died toward the end of 2018, and I've not really been the same since. And he died from IMHA. So it wasn't like a normal death, and it was very quick, and he was kind of in pain. He had a seizure, he had a lot of blood loss, and eventually they were gonna have to do what's it called, words are hard, man, a blood transfusion. Okay, here's where all of it's at. And eventually I just kind of ran out of money, and he had to be put to sleep, but at least he's no longer suffering. And even if I was able to save him, apparently animals with IMHA still need like medicine, and they can relapse, and we still need tons of blood transfusion, and it's pretty costly. So there's that. What else do we need? We might have to go and search for more stuff. We have enough softwood. We need 5 more iron nuggets. Okay, let's go around and look for rocks, and I'm pretty sure the hardwood is just scattered around, and maybe some wood too. I'm not sure. Oh, there's some wood. I don't know how much wood we got now. I don't know how much was there. There's 7. Alright. Well, we already beat that rock. Oh, there's another one over here. Let's see what it gives us. Yeah! Ooh. Whoops. Oh my god, my girl is so stupid! Oh, first time I got gold nuggets. I'll take that. Looking at this shiny gold nugget makes me feel like royalty. I've got an idea for a DIY! Uh-oh. What was the idea? King Tut mask? Well, that's interesting. I didn't mean to pick up that stupid rock. Ooh! Tree. Whoops. Shake. Let's get all this. Haha. I wonder if our coconut tree has grown yet. Ooh, there's hardwood. I knew there'd be some stuff lying around, because I walked some trees last night. We can try to hit this rock, but My girl's kind of stupid, so I don't know if this method will work much longer. That's all rock. You kidding me? Why do you hate me? I think there's a rock over here. Oh my god, what is on that freaking ball? Hold on. Let's try to catch it. What the hell? I got it. What is it? Oh, it's ugly. A dung beetle. Just lovely. And why was it building a snowman? Okay. Well, I also haven't ran into Sleece yet. So, kind of sad about that. And I don't remember where all the rocks are. I can't wait till I can eventually get a rock garden. No. Ooh, fossil. Might as well do a couple things while we're out and about, eh? Haha, hopefully it's one we haven't done yet. Oh yeah, we also got a, I can't think of it, but a dinosaur, a dinosaur, exhibit completed. Like, not the exhibit, but like one of them. His whole body. Wow, words are hard. Stop! It starts with a P. Is the one we got finished. So our first dinosaur is finished. That was kind of exciting. And how come I can't get this fucking freaking fossil, man? You trying to irritate me? Thank you. Okay, let's pick this up. How many nuggets do we have now? Let me do that. How many nuggets? We have 11. Did we need 10? Maybe we have enough nuggets now. No, we needed 15. Rip. That's sad. Huh. We might not get this thing down today. I don't know. We need... There's another fossil. I mean, this isn't really what I'm out here for, but I'll take it. Whoops. Someone leaves a book. Someone lost a book. I wonder if it was Hammy. It looks like his journal. Alright. Well, we're gonna have to cut down some trees. I was on a nugget hunt. Oh. Here's something. This is gold. Ha! I found a gold rock. That's not what I want, though. I mean, it's helpful, but I need nuggets, bro. Alright. Let's chop down some trees. Whoops. That give us softwood. Maybe you gotta do one at a time with this one. These ones. I don't usually cut these down. Cut down the other ones. Anything? No? There's some wood. We need 5 more wood, and then like 3 or 4 more nuggets, and we're good. So I don't know if I'll get the nuggets or not. We might not be able to get this down today, which kind of sucks. Or I could actually, whoops, use one of my like nuke tickets to go and find rocks, I guess, because we don't need that many nuggets. So, I mean, it should be fairly simple. Oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god. Can we do this? Oh no, too late! Ah! take some medicine. Did we pick it up? Yeah. The heck, man? What the heck? Did I beat these rocks yet? I don't remember. Apparently I beat that one. Did I beat this one? Whoops. Yeah. Okay. Well, that sucks. Alright, let's take our medicine. Let's drop these. We will... Well, we'll go to him in a minute. We're about to get some Nuke Miles tickets. Do I have one in here? I already have one here. So we're gonna go to another island to get the rest of what we need. Because this is going down today. This is happening. I want to fly. Roger. Yes, I want to use my Nuke Miles ticket. You're absolutely right. Yes. Alright, let's do this. Time for takeoff. Alright. We're on another island. See if we can find any rocks. There's one up there. There's two up here, actually. So maybe we'll get something good. Actually, there's a bunch up here. Aha! Yes! Whoops, I didn't mean to get weeds. Or that. Holy cow. There's a lot of rocks up here. Why are there so many rocks? Whoops. Oh, Lord. As you can tell, I struggle. There's more. I mean, we're getting more than enough now, but... Sweet. Whoops. I don't want that freaking weeds, lady. I'm gonna just hit all these and see what happens. I guess clay. Ah! I'm just collecting all of the nuggets. Whoops. Whoops. Freaking nuts, man. Okay. I believe we have everything we need for it now. We're gonna find out. And we do. So let's go make it. Alright, let's do this. I got junk scattered all around my place again, because I don't got enough storage. Aw, no DIY balls washed ashore today. Let's craft. Yes. Haha, let's go find a place for it. I also found out her birthday is this month. We share the same birth month, and she's beautiful, and I love her. Hers is in a couple days, though. Mine was January 2nd. But still, I was pretty excited. Last time, I had it by the beach, but I don't know if there's really a spot by the beach you could do. For right now, where's the bridge? We could put it across the bridge. I mean, eventually when I get terraforming unlocked, it'll probably be moved anyway. So, I mean, it's whatever. We could put it right here, and then they could, like, well, can we put it near the lake? Like right here. I don't know if this will work or not. We're about to find out. What did I do with it? And then we gotta go get Hamlet his book. Like, I was ready to give her a present anyways, and wrapped it up, but then I realized her birthday was soon. I'm like, give it to her at her birthday. That'd be so cute. Too close to the cliff. Okay. I don't know if we can put it here or not. Might be a tight squeeze. Oh, maybe we can. Let's imagine it for a second. I think it's cute, because they got like so much, I don't know, relaxation going on there. Maybe I could get a tree to put behind it. Aha! Sweet. It's kind of far out though. But we got down, so we should have a camper by tomorrow. And I'm not going to time travel for that one. I'll just let it be what it is. I am going to wait and see who they give me. And then, soon, I should have the amiibos unlocked. And I am going to put in Stitches, because I got his amiibo. Hopefully it works, to kick out the stupid monkey. That's here. We need to find Hamlet. Hamlet, I got your book. Are you home? I can't tell. Kind of looks like they're off. They are. Okay. Well, Hamlet, where are you? Oh, you're over here doing yoga. Here. Good morning. How about it? Did that wake you up? Did you lose this? Oh, what now? This. Did you lose this? Is this yours? Oh, that's not yours? I was so sure that was yours. Savannah has a journal too? Okay, and I just passed her. So let's try Savannah. I was wrong. Sometimes these things happen. Where did I last see Savannah? Oh, okay, there she is. Hey, girlfriend. Did you lose this? Drop something? I mean, last time it was Hamlet's. Oh, it is hers. Aw, what'd you give me? I have enough stuff, girl. Raglan shirt. I'll sell it. There we go. She's happy. We're gonna go give this stuff to the museum. Get it out of my inventory. Wake up. I got things. Also, have you seen Red? I haven't ran into him yet. Or Celeste. Where's your sister? Or I think she's your sister. Alright, let's give you a fossil. I didn't one at a time, just because if I do them all the time, he gives them back and I have to redonate them, and that's just like pointless. He already has that one. That stinks. Okay, well, I'll sell it. Eventually, I want dinosaurs around my island, but, like, I have enough clutter at the moment. So I'm just gonna sell it. Here. I'm gonna go see if we can see Red anywhere after this. You don't have this one? A brachial pelvis? So is that like its crotch? Here. Yes, you can have it. I have one more for you. One more. See if you have it. I don't know, you seem kind of excited. So, oh no, you can't take it? Then why was you so excited for? Alright. No. Wait, Yeah, I caught something. I forgot all about it. Here you go. Get out of my pockets, it's gross. I know, right? Surprise! I hate bugs too. No thanks. I don't want to know nothing about that ugly little thing. No, we're done now. You're welcome for the bug. Art donations. Yeah, I'm trying to find Red. I haven't seen him yet. I don't even know if he's here, to be honest. Let's go see if we can find his boat. But... oh, she's doing wait. Oh my god, I didn't even know that was a thing. Oh, look at her with a little small weight bell thing. Stop, girl. Aren't weekends great? Not really. The only downside is that time goes by faster when you're having fun, so weekends fly by, y'all. I hope I can give her a present on her birthday. Because sometimes it allows me to give him gifts, sometimes it doesn't, and I haven't gave her a gift yet. That's so cute. I haven't found Red. I don't know where he's at. Let's go up. He might not even be here. Let's go see if we can find his boat. But to be fair, we gotta be over there. Let's try this again. There we go. Now we can see a pie. I don't remember where the extra beach is, because it's in a different spot than my last island. Oh, I think it's over there. But I don't see his boat, so he's not here. Son of a monkey, Red. Ah. Okay. I guess I'll keep an eye out for you. This sucks. Ooh, we got more fossils. Hiya! Let's get this one. Yeah. Whoops, I didn't mean to do that. Stop picking up weeds! Kick! Thank you. Alright. Alright, I'm gonna end the video here, and hopefully later tonight when I play, I can find Red. But I haven't ran into him since Blathers opened up his gallery museum, and I haven't ran Celeste either. So, it's kind of sad. Anyways, until next time, bye guys.